once again, guys, to Cloud Solutions. So this time I'm going to teach you how to add watermark or branding to your YouTube videos. All right, it is an easy process. All you have to do is to log into your account. If you're using a desktop computer, log into your account, then click on the icon on the top right corner of your screen and go to your YouTube studio. Launch that and then go to the left side of your screen. You'll see all of the options there. Click on customization, so you'll be able to customize your videos, and it will direct you to the page where you'll see layout, branding, and basic information. Click on branding and scroll down to video watermark. But before that, on this page, you'll see profile picture, where you can change your profile picture. If you don't have one yet, you can go ahead and upload one. And there's also banner image right here, where you can have an image on the top corner or on the top part of your YouTube videos, and of course the video watermark. So click on upload to be able to upload your customized branding or watermark. I already pre-downloaded an icon earlier before I make this video, so I'm going to go ahead and click on upload, and it will direct me to my upload folders or downloaded folders. I'm going to hit on this button over here, and you see it's already cropped with the proper dimensions. Let me go ahead and click on done to open it up. Now here you go, you can see it right from here, and you have three options. You can choose to have your watermark or branding show just on the end of the video, or you can customize the start and end time as to when it will show on your videos, or you can choose to have it showing on the entire video, which I'm gonna choose. So let me go ahead now and choose the entire video, and then the next step is to hit on publish. Oh, sorry, I accidentally hit on change. So let's just cancel this. All right, so let's hit on publish and see what's gonna happen. Okay, there is a pop-up message that says changes has been saved. So go to your channel. Let's just click on the icon on the left side to go back to the home page. And there you go. Let's launch the video once again, and let's see if the branding is already showing on the video. Now, if you'll notice, we already have the branding right over here. This time it will be easier for your audience to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So that's all about it, and it's how easy uploading a branding or a watermark is when you're using your desktop computer. So guys, I hope you learned something today. Now, someone is asking if it's possible for us to also do that while using our mobile device. It is possible for us to add a branding or a watermark on our YouTube videos using our mobile device. All we have to do is to launch the YouTube website through our browser and not the YouTube application that's already installed on your mobile device or your Android phone. So let us go ahead and do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go to Google Chrome, and I already logged in my account here. Let us type in youtube.com. Okay, youtube.com, and launch it from here. Now, just make sure you hit on the three buttons over here, and after that, it will direct you to this page where you can choose to scroll down to the desktop site. Choose that. Make sure it's on the desktop site. Hit on the icon and go to YouTube Studio. Okay, it will direct you to the same page as earlier. So you have this page right here where you can see customization. Hit on that. Okay, and go to branding. Click on branding. Same thing. Go to the video watermark. And this time I already have the subscribe button on my video, so upload is no longer showing, but change and remove. All right, so if I wanted to change it, I'm gonna just hit on the change button, but I'm good with that. So that's all about it now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something, and if you like it, please hit on share, subscribe, and like, and do not forget to also hit the notification bell to be updated with all of our videos. Thank you so much, guys, and you all have a great day today. Bye-bye.